FGX XR8 with the Coyote and the supercharged motor. We're going to give it a run up for a baseline and see what we can do. One of these cars, they're a little hidden gem, so we'll give it a run, and after that we'll do some performance mods to it and see what power we can extract out of it. So we'll give it a roll. Basically the tune modification that we perform on these cars. The car's already been ran up with the stock exhaust on it. We then fitted the Catback exhaust on it. We then re-ran it on the dyno. There's not huge gains in the Catback, it's more of a personal note on the sound. What we're trying to tell a lot of people here, these cars are a bit of a hidden gem. If you come closer, these cars here, and many people probably don't even realise, basically this supercharger kit was a collaboration between Ford, but also under here, a lot of you guys do not recognise. If you look under there, the supercharger actually is made by Harrop. These cars can find, you know, huge amounts of power because they're obviously also speed limited, RPM limited, throttle limited, so there's so many restrictions on these cars. So when you get one, and when you actually get a professional tuner to do it in a workshop, these cars come alive. So what we're going to do now is we're going to show you, we're using HP tuners on this particular vehicle. We're going to load in a tune that we've done, a custom tune, and basically show you what the potential is. So if you come around, we'll show you how that's done. Shouldn't take too long on HP tuners. So that tune is now done. So what we'll do, we'll get you to go around the front jar, we'll fire this thing up, and we'll see what this little XR8 can do.